Hey!
Welcome.
Wow, kind of sounds like a bad video, like an infomercial, but it kind of is. Something that sets us apart is that we come into homes and we can either redesign it, tear down a wall, remodel it, or we can fix it up. The home we're in today, here in sunny California in Hermosa Beach, had renters living in it and the owner wants to sell. So we are going to bring in our contractor to just do deferred maintenance. But it sets us apart because I have a background in construction, Misty has a background in design, so you're getting our eye on things and we like things done right. But sometimes we just like to save money and we like to get the highest amount of money for a seller. So we're gonna walk around and see what we need to do. First of all, it's like she was saying, the floor is
gnarly.
I think this is real hardwood.
They're gonna have to sand this down, so they'll take care of that.
They're gonna sand this down, take care of it. The hard part is that it's a light colored wood. And when you have a light colored wood,
It'll be messed up in a week.
it will. If you have a kid, you have dogs, like, just get used to redoing your floors.
The kitchen looks a little bit tired, so it needs a fresh coat of paint.
It's a really cool design of a house. The big thing is people are tearing down and opening up kitchens into their family rooms. And if we were to remodel this, this would go.
I'll come down.
But look at this thing.
We're not sure if it's a reception desk or a bar, or it could be both. You could do your homework
Or you
during the day.
Or you can check in people into their rooms. So a good coat of paint and the floors on this level.
Watch your head.
Dude, are you gonna mess up like the fixtures already? I don't want to replace the fixtures. Let's look over here. Little touch-ups here on the wall that need to be touched up, but it's in really good shape. It just needs some love. The stairs, again, the wood floors. So let's, I guess, go up and see if there's any hidden treasures or problems. You know, I would wear flats, but they are just not very cute.
Sensible shoes are just no fun. So one thing I'm noticing is this is a composite floor. It is not the same kind of floor that's downstairs, although it's the same color.
Yeah,
it's like a fake wood, or it's like a composite where they put a bunch of different layers together and they compress it, and then they put like a shaving of wood on top. So it's not solid hardwood. You can't sand it down because it's so thin on top, but it's cheaper typically than hardwood.
So I am a fan of shutters because they're pretty, but these are just need a little love. It's just a nice way of not to have drapery, and there's a lot of natural light within it, but you have privacy when you close it up. And the skylights, oh my God, they're amazing.
Yeah, those are groovy. And then when you go into a room like this that has no skylights, it's so much darker.
Not much to do in here, but it's a beautiful sized room, and you can use it as an office or someone else's, like a kid's room or someone's room. Really important note is the city, when you sell a property, requires you to do retrofit. So that means to make sure all the smoke detectors and the carbon monoxide detectors are up to date, and low flow toilets. Isn't that exciting? So glamorous. That being said, if you have crappy low flow toilets or you have a very expensive toilets and you don't want to change them, the buyer can make you pay for a very expensive toilet. So I recommend go in, put some cheap toilets if you're just gonna sell the house, so you don't have to worry about
them ordering a Toto toilet.
Oh, those are nice.
Ding. So what I love about these Miami Vice houses is they all have hazards all over the place. And so there's a huge step down over here that's gonna be problematic for anyone who buys the home.
It's cool, but it's gonna be interesting again to see what the stager does with it. Like, is this gonna be a workout area, a reading nook?
Or is the bed gonna be there?
bed?
Is the bed gonna be there? I can imagine someone coming in and tearing this wall out and keeping that vault.
And then again, very popular in the 90s are these fireplaces.
The see-through fireplace. So you can watch your woman while she's in the tub.
Huge thing to tell you guys, if you are not staging a house, unless it's a tear down, you are...
Big mistake, you're leaving money on the table.
Money on the table, big time. People buy their homes through what they're seeing on their cell phones. They are looking through that. They're looking at photos. So if you don't have a staged home, I would say very few people have imagination, so get your house
And
staged.
they're
It's
probably
worth
gonna
it.
pass over yours when they're swiping.
Or they won't put as much money into yours, so they don't have the vision of, what do I put here? What am I gonna put there?
Yep.
But having a staged home is gonna make it more magical, and wait until you see what it looks like on the after. You'll understand.
Subscribe to our channel and like us.
Especially so you can see part 2 of what this house is gonna look like, staged and touched up.
And our stager's name is Brigitte. So how could it not be amazing?
Well, she's amazing and super cute.
Yikes.
Oh yeah, that looks really gnarly.
That's bad. We have to get that.
So I can tell they painted it because like water.
Bubbling again.
So-
You know, the thing is, though, it's not the end of the world. Most everybody at some point in a home's life, it will have problems with the roof. What's most important is that it's repaired properly and that they have noted who repaired it, when it was repaired, all this and that. It's going to happen eventually.
Yeah, document. Document what you did, because that's a good thing to put on.
And
your-
the buyers love to see it.
They do.
All right, so I think that's good for the house. Let's go check on the yard, the lawn.
Let's go look. Okay, here comes Manuel.
Oh my gosh.
Can he get a bigger car? Hey. Hi.
Good to see
Good.
you.
Good.
Okay, we have a new house for you to
Okay.
fix it up.
Let's see what we
Check
can
out and give
Okay.
us a bid. So it's a big house. It's beautiful. It's kind of Miami Vice.
It needs a little love.
do. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So you can
Okay.
see we're gonna have to do the floors, obviously. It's gonna need new paint. The kitchen it needs some love as well. This probably needs to be sanded down or replaced.
Yes,
You can
absolutely.
see like the undermount.
imagine-
Yeah, so it's not a remodel, because if we had our choice, we would tear this down and open it up. But the owner's out of town, so we just want to clean it up and get it ready to sell. And we
Sure.
know
Okay.
you can do it.
Great, we can make it.
So
Yeah.
floor, paint. Why don't we go upstairs? I want to show you something and
Sure.
see if you can fix
Yeah.
it. Okay.
So they actually had
There's
that
the problem.
repaired.
Okay, so I'm gonna first thing open there, see if I can see something, what's wrong with that. If not, we have to run water and see if everything okay, and then we'll patch it and paint.
So there's another rooftop up here that I can
Okay.
show you, so you might be able to see it.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be good.
So it's nice
Wait,
because
wait,
it
what are
has
you
an
doing?
ocean view.
Oh my God, is that
And well,
safe?
do not fall.
Oh dear Lord,
Oh
we're
my
like 3
God.
stories up.
Take a look where is the problem and all that.
Okay. Oh God, we do not have insurance for this, and I'm not doing that.
Do not do this at home.
Get your own Manuel, or call us.
What do you think?
A little dirty around, there's a drain.
Oh.
It looks a little dirty, but I cannot tell what's going on. I think we have to clean and run water.
Okay.
And that's the only way we can find what's going on.
Perfect.
Okay. Like I said, it's not a remodel, but I think with a little love, we'll get top dollar, because it's all about top dollar.
So Manuel, we have a favor to ask.
Okay. Yeah.
Just say yes.
Yes. Whatever comes, yes.
We have fish here.
Okay.
A
You
koi
feed
pond.
'em?
Oh, really? Let's take a look.
Come on.
Okay. This house has something that's like nobody has anymore. A phone in the bathroom. Because
In case
you never
need
know.
when you need to call your mama.
So that poses the question, who do you need to call so badly that you're gonna do it on there? And you can't check Facebook on that phone.
Not on the Panasonic.
You know you guys do that.
Yes. Sure, yeah.
I think you pull it. I think you have to pull the door handle up, maybe. Whew. That's it.
Up. I'll do it. How many blondes?
A little tricky.
It is. Oh, you got it.
That's how it is?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's locked.
So, here's the koi pond.
Come on.
But they're so cute.
Oh,
And they're special to us. Aren't they beautiful? So they get we've been feeding them about a half cup a day. And so we usually do it like in the afternoon, like 3, 4, 5, something like that.
Don't overfeed them like Misty does.
I do not overfeed them. I don't overfeed anybody.
I don't know how to open this.
Here, I'll show you.
Let's set it down.
Hold on, let me put it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I've been giving them like about
Does not smell good.
a
Oh my God.
half.
Okay.
Go and feed them.
And then I do a little bit here, but in case some of them have lost their fins, I do it over there. And there's like some little crab right here, so I want to make sure that they get fed too.
Okay.
It's not a crab.
Oh,
It's a crawfish.
same thing.
Okay, so you know we need the floors,
Okay.
paint, check the leak, the repair. What am I missing?
Tighten up the kitchen, the undermount, the wood above the sink.
Maybe just a little cleanup on the exterior. So I guess our next step is you can give us a quote
Okay.
so we can give it to the owner. And I guess our biggest question is how soon can you start? We wanna go on
Do my
market.
best, you know, like
Can you
as
do
soon as
better?
possible.
Can you do better than your best?
Tomorrow.
Yes,
yes.
yes.
It's just a really good market right now,
Okay.
and we want to list as
Yeah.
soon as possible because this would be a great home for families with kids and they want to get their kids in the school district.
Yeah.
So we're kind of
like
pressed
perfect
for
time.
time. Yeah,
It's a
it is
perfect
because it's
time.
summer.
Perfect time.
One
Sure.
more question.
Yes.
Can we borrow your car this weekend?
Just for like a couple hours.
We're
Yes.
just gonna go out to the
Yes.
club.
Yes.
Just kidding.
Of course, you can use it, no problem.
We can fit all our girlfriends in that car and have a good time. Would you trust us?
Yes.
He doesn't know us very well.
I know. You won't.
I trust you.
He's like, for now, it's scary. He should trust us.
I feel confident with Manuel.
He's amazing.
Yeah, I know he is, and I think he'll be able to do this in a short amount of time so we can get it listed ASAP.
I know. I wish we could remodel it completely because I have some great ideas, but
Takes more time and money.
it does. Oh, hold on. Hey, Robert.
Hey, Robert. How's it going?
So this is Robert of the Roberto Woods team. He is not only an agent that we love, he does drone videos. When you have a house this close to the ocean, you got to kind of show people where it is from up there, right?
Yes.
So he'll go up there, he'll take a picture of the lot, but then just the proximity to the beach, because honestly, it's like a hop, skip, and a jump.
I'm kind of bummed that it is foggy out today because I wish that you could see the ocean.
I know.
Can you like paint that in?
I will do my best.
Make it really
That is the selling
crystal blue? So you think you can get that thing in like people's houses? And can you go through like a window that was open or something?
Are there like restrictions? Like, can you get in trouble to fly your drone this close to the airport or anything? Or are we
We're
good?
Actually in a good spot.
Oh, good. So we have to hide for this, right?
We will, yes.
Okay. Cool. So again, doing a drone video of a home is really important, especially when it's close to the beach, and location's important.
And a big lot like this, we want to show how big this lot is.
So from above, we can actually take a photo and outline the lot to show people what they're getting and the proximity it is to the beach and then other
restaurants.
local places. Very important.
So things like the ADU is what we come up with to think outside of the box to try to get our clients the most money.
Top dollar is where it's at. So most agents, well, I wouldn't want to say most agents. So some agents just take pictures of an empty house
With their phone.
with their iPhones, and that's doing you a huge disservice. Spend the money, do some deferred maintenance, do some light staging, because you are going to see bigger dollars at the end, no matter what market. No matter what
I
market.
think I hear the drone.
Oh,
Let's go see if Robert's finished.
okay.